Information. Moments ago, the BBC received word that the National Aeronautics and Space Administration detected an unknown object orbiting the Earth. We are currently unsure of the object's origin. The object is broadcasting a strange signal, and this signal is currently believed to be a byproduct of some sort of energy weapon. We will provide more information as it becomes available. We have just received word that the object is not dangerous. It is a piece of debris that crossed a satellite's transmission. We at the BBC apologize for any panic caused and will now return to normal programming.